It wasn't a knock like what on what he said. It was like someone tapping from underneath the world. He never returned to Lighthouse Yui. By the time the decade turned, the disappearance of the tibrews had settled into the folklore of the hebeties. Children dared each other to say Mackayter's name 3 times a night. Fishermen muttered prayers when passing too near the finance. But in the archives, Mackayter kept one object locked in a drawer until his death. A scrap of paper, found beneath the floorboards of the lantern room, on which someone had squalled in a shady hand. "Have come again." After the papers had folded the finding mystery into neat columns of shortitude, Joseph Moore returned to Alan Moore. He borrowed a boat and thrown away, rowed out on a day when the sea wore a meek face and the sky lay flat. He brought oil, bread, the empty jar he had found in the lamp. Room. One that smelled of salt and iron. He did not go to hunt ghosts or argue with accidents. He went because he could no longer sleep in a world that pretended the lamp had never learned to look back. The landing was silent.